Welcome back, guys, from Kolkata, India over here. We are still in the province of West Bengal, and we are today looking out for some small snacks, some small beverages. I'm looking for a very good lassi over here, and I want to explore this neighborhood over here. So join me right now as I'm going to show you this neighborhood of Kolkata over here, Salt Lake. Of course, what first caught into my eyes are these nice gentlemen over here playing some street activities here, some street cards. We shall figure out. Hello, nice to meet you. What are you doing here? Cards. Nice. Can I see? Ah, okay, good. Card game, yeah? How's this card game working out over here? How is this? Number, which number? Ah, okay, you play, I look. Who's winning? You are winning. Hello. Who's winning here?
Rami.
Rami.
इसका नाम सोमनाथ.
Somnath.
Sarkar.
Sorgat. Nice to meet you here. You are from here? Yeah, live here. Ah, very nice. Okay.
दीजिए बच्चे को कुछ खाने को दीजिए, चॉकलेट खाने को दीजिए, चॉकलेट खाएंगे. चॉकलेट खाएंगे दीजिए चॉकलेट खाएंगे बच्चा, चॉकलेट खाएंगे.
What are you saying? What do you mean?
2 साल.
Dosal. What is this? Oh, this is money here. You know where I can get lassi? Lassi? Drinking lassi? Here?
City center.
City center.
CC1.
Far. CC1. Okay. Lassi, yeah, here.
सामने मोड़ वाला.
Okay.
कास्कर को ओपन है.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Thanks. Okay, have a good time. Bye bye.
चॉकलेट.
Chocolate. No, me lassi. No, I don't have.
लस्सी लेके आ रहे हैं, लस्सी.
What chocolate?
चॉकलेट.
Me, lassi.
कैडबरी.
Chatpuri. Let's see later, yeah? Okay, let's see. Hello. City center here. City center. How many minutes? How long walking? How many minutes? Long? Long? Here, city center. Okay. City center, nice. Okay, guys. Wow. Nice, weird interactions over here. Very nice. I think they are very friendly over here, but it's just the barrier of the language over here. So, yeah. Now we shall walk further over here. To be honest, right now, district over here is rather better district. You see like normal people coming from home, from work, everything is civilized. I also already had some other districts over here where the houses were rather more like, I don't know, like really freestyle self-made houses. So they were not so well constructed over here, most of them. I think this is the so-called city center over here. We shall figure out where we can get ourselves the best lassi over here. I think right over here, no? Ah, okay. Seems like we're entering a walking street over here. Oh, some fresh sugar cane also. What you got over here? You got some major brands like Levi's over here, Reebok, Nike. Okay, really seems like the city center over here, yeah. Wow. Cream and sundaes I can see over here. Center of happiness. Let's explore things further out over here. Oh, maybe we shall ask someone. Ah, okay. Inside over here looks really amazing. There are some ice cream shops over there. Me. Only me. No video here.
Not allowed.
Why?
Camera is not allowed.
Camera inside is not allowed. Really? Not even if I only for.
Canteen control.
Okay, interesting.
Okay.
Interesting. Cameras are not allowed in this mall over here. So yeah, let's see how they can get their money. Not by me, I would say. Let's get a lassi outside over here. I don't know. Rather looks way too fancy for me. For a chapri like me. Ma'am, excuse me. You know where I can get some lassi? Best lassi, number one lassi. Here? Right here, yeah? Okay, wow. Okay, it says there is the number one lassi over here. Let's give it a further check. Ah, here, there you can go. I want this guy to prepare my fresh lassi over here. Hello. Can I get one lassi? Fresh, sweet, yeah? Sweet lassi. One. Look at this, guys. This is like a real lassi pot over here. How they prepare it over here. Really nice. This is like the topping that you get. It's like a yogurt topping, and it tastes very good. Like a fresh lassi, what he's doing over here. Very nice. Wow. Good, number one. Yeah, then he puts it inside here. Wow, guys, I'm so excited. Time for some sugar. He's mixing it up right now. Putting in some fresh ice. Wow, lassi machine, yeah? Nice. Everyone is hyped like me right now. Give me a good one, yeah? Yeah. Shake it up. Nice. Okay, you can change? Okay. Guys, check this out over here. Fresh lassi in Kolkata, India. Let me quickly try my lassi over here. Wow, guys. Okay, I think that's a nice space over here to try one lassi in Kolkata with a traditional cup over here, like a clay cup. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. Fuck. Boss, you have a tissue inside. You have a tissue over here. Thank you, boss. By the way, what is this over here? Fool. Soup. Lentil soup. Is this lentil soup? Soup tea. Ah, chai. Chai, ah, okay, nice. Very good lassi, boss. Oi. Okay. In case you don't have money, no money is this, yeah? If you don't have money, yeah? No rupees. Guys, time for the next destination over here. I think we're trying some chat. Mohan Chat Center. One. Thank you, boss. Now I'm same like you. What is this, by the way? How? Skolpuchka.
The first one.
Puchka.
Yes.
Ah. I only want one piece. You can see how he prepares it. Ah. Okay, it's wet. Okay. And then you just eat it, yeah? Like this, yeah? Okay. Let's give it a try, guys. First time puchka in India. Wow. Yeah. Oh wow.
Water of ripened mango.
5?
Water of mango. Star mango.
Ah. Oh. It's a nice. Wait. Thanks. It's a nice snack over here. How does he do it? Ah, okay. Just put the sauce inside. Ah, okay.
Potato.
Potato. Ah, potato.
Boiled potatoes.
Ah, okay. Nice potatoes. Wow, guys.
Hi.
Hi. You're the king. Kolkata king. Ah, no Burger King. Or Kolkata king, no?
Burger King.
Kolkata king. Okay. Okay, guys, one more time. Wait.
I have a flower.
Oh, you can eat. Wow. Hey, I didn't finish. Oh. Oh. This guy is fast. Oh. No, enough.
5 at a time for 20 rupees.
और जगह
Me, 5. 5. I cannot even finish it. He's way too quick for me. Wow. Guys, let's walk further on over here. I think we stumbled into a... What is this over here? Like a demonstration or something. Wow. With a traditional over here. Like seems like traditional Bengali over here. Wow. Check this out over here. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Interesting. Wow. Okay, let's walk together. We are now walking all together here. What is this here? It's political election. Ah, okay. Okay, let's walk. Wow, crazy. Very important, yeah. Message, strong message. Woo. Stinks over here. Woo. Okay, guys, let's go. Whoever we are rooting for. Good. It's the election, yeah?
Election, yeah.
So when is the election?
Mamata Banerjee.
Ah, okay. It's for whole India or only
All India.
All India.
West Bengal.
West Bengal. And what date? Next week. When?
1st July.
5 July election.
1st June.
Okay, okay. It's like the West Bengal, the Bengali type of traditional dancing over here. So yeah, really interesting over here. You can see here, India. Wow. Guys, let's follow the mob over here. People are shocked outside over here. Wow. Wow. Everyone is watching here. Nice. Okay guys, that was a small quick tour around this block over here in Salt Lake. Once again, Salt Lake is like a smaller district in Kolkata. Kolkata is a very big city. I think it's the 5th largest city in India, and therefore we had a small adventure over here. And check out these guys over here. Hello! Hello!